Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicaid in Maryland. First, understand that Medicaid offers vital health coverage for eligible residents. Eligibility is primarily based on your household income and size, but other factors like age or disability also play a role. Maryland's program aims to help a wide range of people, including children, pregnant individuals, and adults, access necessary medical care. It's a crucial safety net for many. Applying for Medicaid in Maryland is straightforward. The easiest way is online through the Maryland Health Connection website, which is the state's official marketplace for health plans. Alternatively, you can apply over the phone by calling 1-855-642-8572, by mailing in a paper application, or by visiting your local Department of Social Services. Whichever method you choose, ensure you have all your personal and financial details ready to complete the application accurately. When applying, you'll need several key documents. First, have proof of identity, like a valid driver's license or state identification card. Next, prepare income verification, which could include recent pay stubs, W-2 forms, or tax returns. You'll also need to show proof of Maryland residency, such as a utility bill, a lease agreement, or a piece of mail with your current address. Having these ready will speed up your application. Once your application is submitted, the state will review your information and determine your eligibility. You'll receive a notification about their decision, typically within a few weeks. If approved, you'll get details about your new health coverage, including how to choose a health plan and access your benefits. Remember to keep your contact information updated. Also, for those looking for great deals, check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other fantastic offers. Staying informed and prepared is key to managing your health care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.